Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you 5 things that will make your life much easier than it was before. Daily habits you practice but wrongly. We will show you how to do it in the easiest way possible. Just follow us to the end of the video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon to receive all new. So let's start. Number 1. You do not need any apps to download your videos. Whether from YouTube, Instagram, or even Facebook. Just copy the video link you want. Then go to the browser on your phone or computer. It doesn't matter, it's the same. Then paste the link here. Then click on the search icon. And this is the video you copied. Then click on download and you will see that the video is downloading now. You can do the same to download YouTube videos. Just copy. Then paste. Then choose whichever quality you want to download the video. Then the download process will start. You will find the link to this website in the video description. Number 2. Do you have any apps or software and you are not satisfied with their performance? Here is the right solution. Through this website you can find an alternative to it. The idea of the website is to search for apps or programs similar to the apps or program that you want. For example, if you are looking for apps similar to KineMaster, you will find a list of applications that do the same thing in the same field. You will find the website link and all links in the video description. Number 3. Have you ever tried to repair an electronic device or something else, and you failed to fix it? Don't worry, this site will teach you how to repair electronic devices and other things. For example, if you search for how to change car, you will find a lot of results. For example, if we look at this, we will notice that it teaches us how to change a car battery. So all you have to do is tell them your problem, and they will give you the solution. Number 4. You do not need to install Photoshop on your computer, because perhaps the graphics card on your computer is not enough to read the program. Just enter this website. You do not need a powerful graphics card to open the program. Here everything happens on their website and not on your computer. And after you get rid of working on the program, you can export the image and download it. Number 5. You don't need to pay money to make a CV. All you have to do is go to this website. Then search for the word CV. And then choose the CV you want. And here you can modify it as you like, in terms of changing the writing, colors and others. Then after completing the modification, click on the download icon. And here is your CV. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon to receive all new from our channel.